Welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this video, we're going to show you 3 different tips to improve your social dancing.
Mostly what you don't have to do.
Very common mistakes that we see normally in intermediate and even advanced dancers at the Milonga.
But before going to the video, please like if you enjoy it, subscribe with notifications so you know when we upload new videos.
Now, let's get to the dance floor and let's see what is that about.
Okay, good. Now we are on the dance floor, so we are going to start with the first tip.
Now, this one will be for the leaders when we are leading backward ochos to the follower. And this is very common one. Please don't do this. Let us show you. So, side step. When we are about to lead the backward ochos, the most common mistake that happens is that the leader, without really stopping, will start pushing with the right, getting into the ochos, and pushing and pushing. This is not good. So we really have to rotate her in axis by pulling. So this is the tip. Side step 1. In order not to push her to rotate, which is the most common thing to do, but bad, we need to rotate her in axis by pulling. Can you see that I'm rotating her in axis and she's not even sending the leg yet? Because she's waiting for me to go together. Yes? So same case here. I'm doing this, and instead of closing my left, I will pull from my right side. I'm letting go from here so you see it. Tac. Can you see? I'm opening for her in axis. After that, yes, I can go. Again, I will repeat what was wrong so you can see if you were doing this. I will see it from here. And I will do it in a regular speed so you see what is wrong. 1 and 2.
Ooh.
Yes,
That was really wrong.
Yes, so don't do that one. Change the pushing for the pulling in axis. That's the first tip for the leaders.
Very important, leaders, believe me. Now, something for the followers. When we start doing ochos in autopilot. So I feel the lead to do ochos, and how do I know when to stop? How do I know about the speed? The most common mistake, let me show you if you can lead me into backward ochos again.
Okay.
Backward ochos, we have this, and I feel, oh, he does backward ochos lead. Okay, let's go, backward ochos.
Yes.
All the way.
Yes.
I'm doing the backward ochos with my own speed. I'm doing like 1,000 backward ochos and making a hole on the floor without listening to the leader, without feeling the lead. When to start, the speed, angle of the ochos, how many ochos, all of that you have to pay attention on the leader. How do I know? I pay attention on the frame, upper body. This is my lead, this is my speed. He will rotate, and now we are both following the music, but it could be slow or fast, always. So I'm following this. He's rotating me and then walking. This is giving me the speed. I will follow that. How many? He will stop. For example, here, they might have to be able to know, okay, at one point, he's going to stop the lead of the ochos. So I have this thought when the ochos are fast. Let me show you this. Let me try again. I have this thought in mind when the ochos are a little faster. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, this is the last one. Then I'm always ready to stop the speed of the step. Sometimes this is the lead we get is even faster than this.
Yes.
Than one we did. Really, leaders they enjoy to lead very fast ocho, which is kind of weird sometimes, but you get that lead. So for you to know, to be able to feel the stop, the last one, keep that in mind. I'm going fast, but this is the last one. This is the last one. Pay attention when it's going to be finishing the moves. And also the angle. The angle is also by the leader's frame, upper body. Keep the frame, keep connect. So you bring all the lead to your legs and you will know how fast, how many ochos, and when to stop.
So let me add something to this. Some followers, and this is the most common thing, many followers are doing by autopilot, like Miriam was mentioning. And also some followers, and it's harder to notice this, but the leader will sense this very much, and still it is wrong. During the rotation, already sending the leg, not even transferring body weight, but the leg is rushing us here, not on the torso, but it's rushing us in our sensation. So normally this is correct, side step. When we rotate, she remains in feet together, waiting for us to lower and go to the ocho. Make sure, followers, this is not good. Don't rotate and send the leg right away. You didn't change, it's fine. I mean, sorry.
It's easier to go.
Yes, exactly.
It's very easy to go.
So, yes, but even if you don't change body weight, I feel in my brain that you're like, go, go, go. And the leader will start with that, will start rushing and rushing and rushing, and it'll be worse for you followers. So make sure you wait in feet together, and when you are sure he's going and you can sense the angle of the step, then you send your leg. Don't rush there.
Now, on forward ochos, front ochos, that's also an important tip. Follow the leader, send the leg slowly and go. Feel the speed, because this is common mistake. Also go,
Yes.
go with upper body. Or fast, 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 fast. So the leader is like waiting for you to finish your moves.
Yeah, it's like,
not
are you done?
connecting. We are not dancing together. We are not listening to the music. We should connect with the leader and move together. Okay, wait, before the last tip, remember to go to our website, Miriam Leonardo Tango, where you can have more figures, more tips, and more technique on our tango school.
Yes, and it is called Online Tango Training. You will see a lot of different courses in steps, style, milonga, vals, tango nuevo, milonguero style, you name it. It is very good for solo dancers and also for couples. So make sure to check that out at miriamleonardotango.com. And now, yes, we can get back to the video. Yes, now, tip number 3 and what not to do. And this is for both. We have double a bonus as well on this tip. Followers first in the cruzada.
Yeah, this is a cruzada. During the cruzada, we should go again with the speed, follow the torso, he will change body weight, and go to the resolution. This is well done. Following, knowing when he changed body weight. Now, this is not to do. And very common to see this at the milongas. I'm going to the cross by myself, cross and go.
Yes.
And he was like, where are you going?
Yes.
I'm rushing the cross. I'm rushing the cross on the speed. Pum, pum, go. And that will make me pull the leader.
Yes.
If I rush across, because I'm anticipating, he will feel that. Like moving forward.
I've seen that a lot at the milonga. And when you go to the milonga, we encourage you to do this game. Try to see all the couples around and try to spot these kind of things that we are telling you. You will see that you will end up discovering a lot of couples doing this, and even advanced dancers. And
they can also watch a mirror and see if they are doing it.
Yes, exactly. So, and one thing that I see at the milonga, and you will see it in this cross, when she rushes, you see her almost jumping. Like, for example, doing the cruzada, and she goes like, tak, tak, almost like, tak, tak, because she's rushing. Followers try to enjoy the time of the cruzada. Leaders, give her time to cross. Don't just pass through, don't run over the cruzada.
Yeah.
Give her time, change. It's a beautiful step to do.
There is a very nice exercise if you are in the cruzada. Just one person is in the cross. Now the leader change by way from one leg to the other. This is a very, very good exercise. Just pulling and pulling.
Let me rotate so they see it here.
I feel body weight change from one leg to the other. Leader is leading this. So I feel it on my left, on my right, on my left, on my right. Why we need this? Because I'm crossing. I'm not transferring weight by myself. He will change and extend the other leg. So it's very important to connect. Followers cross slow, very, very, very slow. Connect, feel body weight change, and go to the next point.
So we said that this one has a bonus, and same figure, same cruzada, has leader. Sometimes she's not rushing, but we are rushing her, and this is not good. Pushing her down. Let me do it wrong. Bam. Walk, pushing her down into the cruzada, and then turn, like I'm stepping into the beat and pushing her down. No.
Leading the cross.
Exactly. So, especially in the cruzada, my personal taste is to bring her up into the cruzada. I think that I bring her up into the cruzada, not down into the cruzada. Yes, some cases, some variations that may go a little bit down, but we go down without really pushing her down. It has the effect of she's going down with us, but still she's with intention
Lift.
up. Yes, so let me do that one more time. Don't push her down into the cruzada, lift her. So walk, walk. I'm going to lift her here. Look, either with one leg or the other, leaders. We're going to lift her into the cruzada to change body weight and then the resolution. Boom, boom.
Yeah,
That's
very
it.
important tips that you can apply right away when you go to the Milongas or when you go to the practicas during the classes, anytime you have a chance. If you are not with a person and able to dance together, you can still practice this move by yourself.
Very good work.
Yes, you have these very important 3 tips not to do at the Milongas so you can improve your dance.
Before you go, make sure to subscribe. And if you're enjoying what you saw, put a big thumbs up. You really help us to grow the channel and help YouTube with the algorithm.
See you on the next video.
Bye.